What is a data intelligence platform? Architecture, benefits, and use cases. Your data isn't the problem. Your fragmented tools are. A data intelligence platform unifies your data warehouse, your analytics, and your artificial intelligence into one connected system. Most organizations still run these as separate silos, and it's costing them time, trust, and insight. So, what exactly is a data intelligence platform? It's a unified environment that combines data storage, processing, analytics, and artificial intelligence with built-in governance. The real difference is the intelligence layer sitting on top of your data. That layer uses metadata to make data usable, discoverable, and safe to act on, not just stored. Every data intelligence platform is built on 4 layers: storage and processing hold and prepare your data, often through a data warehouse or lakehouse. Artificial intelligence adds predictive models and autonomous agents on top of that foundation. Governance ties it together with a catalog, lineage tracking, and access control. That metadata layer is what separates a true data intelligence platform from a basic data stack. Compare that to a traditional data stack. Multiple disconnected tools require manual integration and offer limited governance, so analytics stays reactive. A data intelligence platform replaces that with built-in interoperability and centralized governance. Insights become proactive instead of reactive because the system understands the data before anyone asks a question. These platforms show up everywhere data teams work. Business intelligence teams get real-time dashboards and self-service analytics without waiting on engineering. Data engineers gain automated pipelines and continuous data quality monitoring, cutting the manual work that slows most reporting cycles down. Artificial intelligence teams use the same governed data to build predictive models and recommendation systems. Operations teams embed analytics directly into workflows, so decisions trigger automatically instead of waiting on a meeting. The outcome across every team is the same: faster insight, fewer silos, and better decisions. This foundation is also what makes artificial intelligence trustworthy at scale. Artificial intelligence is only as good as the data behind it. A data intelligence platform gives intelligent agents clean, governed data to act on safely. It also supports retrieval augmented generation, so agents ground their answers in real business context. Choosing the right platform comes down to a few criteria. Look for scalability, strong governance, and easy integration with your existing tools, alongside real artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities. Focus on how fast a team reaches a usable insight, not on feature lists. Most failed rollouts share the same root causes. Teams treat the platform like just another data warehouse, ignore governance, and overcomplicate the architecture. Avoid those mistakes and adoption follows because people trust data they can see and verify. The Teradata Autonomous Knowledge Platform was built to solve exactly this problem. It unifies your data, your governance, and your artificial intelligence into one system instead of 10 disconnected tools. That means one place to trust your data, govern it, and put it to work. Inside that platform, Teradata AI Studio gives teams a single place to build and deploy artificial intelligence models. Every model runs on governed enterprise data instead of scattered exports to a dozen disconnected tools. Enterprises using this approach see faster time to insight and fewer duplicated pipelines. Governance and artificial intelligence run on the same foundation. Every model and every dashboard pulls from the same trusted source. A data intelligence platform gives every organization the foundation to build with artificial intelligence and make faster decisions. Read more at the link in the description. See how the Teradata Autonomous Knowledge Platform brings your data, governance, and artificial intelligence together.